Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And it is freezing cold out here. It is about 23 degrees and I have a new product that I'm going to use for overlanding and I want to show it to you. You might hear a drone in the background. That's my buddy Keith, trail medic. I just sold him my Spark drone and so he's learning the ropes of it. But let me show you this awesome new product that I got for overlanding or truck camping. Let's go. Okay, so welcome to our camp today. This is our lunch camp, me and my friend Trail Medic. And this is the Snow Peak Fire Pit and Grill. And I got this for two reasons. It produces more heat and it folds down flat. And the back of my truck is already littered with stuff. So I like this better than the Solo Stove I used to have, because the Solo Stove, although it did not have as much smoke as this does, it also didn't put out the radiant heat like this does. You can actually, this is strong enough, this is stainless steel, you can actually stack it pretty high and get a 360 degree amount of heat. Right now you're only seeing half of it though. It's got the ash pan at the bottom, the actual fire pit. The other two components are a grill bridge and a grill plate. We're actually going to cook our burgers on this today as soon as the fire dies down a little bit. And so stay tuned for more exciting, awesome fire pit action. One of the things I like about this particular fire pit is right now I can feel 360 degrees of heat. And I think also, if you put your feet down below it, I've heard tell that it will also keep your feet warm at the same time because the heat is also radiating down. So in my book, that is a win. Your body can stay warm at the same time that your feet can stay warm. Sitting around this thing, that is a win. Okay, so this is the grill bridge. So what this allows you to do is to put a bridge over the fire for your grill plate, and it has three separate levels. There we go. Yeah, it has three separate levels, so you can adjust the height of your food to the flame. There it is. Takes a little bit to, but you can also take the grill plate off and still load wood if you need to. That's what I like about it. This is the grill plate, which then goes into the grill bridge like that. And now you have a great cooking surface to make those delicious burgers that we're going to make.
Let's get to doing it.
We will get to doing it. One last thing I wanted to talk about is that Snow Peak also gives you this heavy canvas bag to carry all of this, because all of it will fit in here flat, and then it fits nicely in the back of your truck or any other storage area. And also, let's talk about surface area. 17.75 by 17.75 by 13. So those are the dimensions. And so that is plenty cooking area for two people. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to get to cooking. Okay, as you can see, we got more wood on the fire. We got our burgers going, and Keith was telling me about what he uses for his pineapple juice.
Oh, we'll put the pineapples on it.
We'll put the pineapples on it?
Yes.
And he swears by that is just the awesomest thing for a burger. So we're gonna let these cook a while. But as you can see, this thing has plenty of cooking area. Heck, we could fit probably 3 or 4 more burgers on here, or a couple of steaks, some brats. And it seems to be working out pretty well, just using the coals from the fire, the wood fire. Okay, so we finished our burgers and they were absolutely delicious. The pineapple on top, I have to say, yeah, I'm good with that. We are now putting some more wood on the fire and we're going to enjoy it for a little bit. It's about 4:30 my time, 3:30 his time. And you might wonder why my pan is full of snow. Well, I didn't clean it from the hot tending video, so I'm melting snow to get it clean. Overall, for this fire pit, as a comfort rating, I would say I'm very comfortable. It keeps me warm and it keeps me fed. What would you say, Keith?
I think it's a great buy.
You think so?
Yeah, I mean it gives you everything you need in a compact.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So you'll be seeing this more on truck camping trips and more on just when I'm overlanding. But thank you for watching and thank you for hanging out with us. Like I said, we're just doing a lunch today, no camping out. But always remember to get out there and explore, and we will see you later. Peace.